The Enabot EBO ROLA cat water fountain offers a unique magnetic induction wireless water pump, ensuring your pet has access to fresh and safe drinking water. With the ROLA app, you can effortlessly monitor your cat's hydration from anywhere, providing peace of mind that your pet is always refreshed. The fountain features an easy-to-clean design with a detachable water tank and wireless pump, complemented by a 304 stainless steel tray and a 3-layer filter for optimal cleanliness. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this fountain operates silently, allowing your pet to remain hydrated without any noise disturbance. It offers customizable water modes, including a continuous stream or a sensing stream that activates as your pet approaches, catering to different drinking preferences. Included in the package are all necessary components such as a sponge, USB-C cable, and filter, making it a comprehensive solution for pet hydration needs.